Gus, come here. Gus, 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 let him be. Too much kisses. There you go. Gus. Good job, Gus. I think Daddy's home. Do you want to go see Daddy? Yeah, there he is. Let's go get him. Is Gus going to give you more kisses? Oh, he wants your froggy. Watch his face, Bubby. Julian, gentle. Julian. Look at Daddy. All right, let go of his face.